Welcome. Today we step into the heart of modern civilization, an automobile factory where machines don't just run, dreams come together. The journey begins with a dream. In the design studio, artists and engineers sketch the future. Screens glow with blueprints, while clay models take shape under human hands. But beauty needs strength. Towering chimneys mark the start. Iron melts into engine blocks. Molten metal glows red, then cools into solid form. That liquid becomes steel coils. Trucks carry this raw power, soon to become your car's body. In the press shop, hydraulic stamps crash down. Steel sheets become doors, roofs, hoods, perfect parts made in seconds. Then comes the dance of machines. Yellow robots weld the frame together. Sparks fly like fireworks. Metal joins metal. Now the paint shop, a sterile chamber. Robots spray primer in perfect mist. Then ovens bake the color to a mirror shine. On the final line, cars move slow. One worker fits the dashboard. Another connects the wires. Piece by piece, it comes alive. The heart arrives. A crane lowers the engine. Workers guide it gently into place. Now the car has power. Glass is sealed by robotic arms. Tires are fitted by hand. New stickers still fresh. Almost ready. At the end, inspectors wait. Lights flash. Wipers sweep. Water sprays to test for leaks. Only perfect ones pass. Then the test track. Rolling roads measure speed. Lasers check alignment. Every system tested. Every bolt confirmed. And so a car is born. From steel to beauty. From nothing to complete. Under the sunset, thousands stand ready. New dreams waiting for the road. Because a car is not just a machine. It is a companion for the journey ahead.